Where are we?
in Montrose, Houston, Texas. Blacksmith Coffee, one of our favorites down here for sure. It's hot, but we're alive, we're breathing, and it's a beautiful day still.
Your hand in mine, walking through the rain together. The sky's a lovely shade of gray, finding comfort in it all.
You got in the way.
The only thing keeping me grounded. Absolutely dumbfounded by you. I'll try to rest my head, close my eyes and fall asleep.
What'd you get?
Cappuccino.
With what?
Honey, oat milk cappuccino with honey and cinnamon. And it is very good, very smooth.
Got a tropic twist. It's got pineapple and I think some mango in there. Mint.
Yum.
It is delicious.
This is the Texas sun. It's like guava and grapefruit.
Yeah. Super refreshing.
Ew. I didn't know you were like a cow. Yeah. This is good. So I got a competition cappuccino, and at Blacksmith, what a competition cappuccino is, they freeze the whole milk and they tip it upside down and they let the milk slow drip as it defrosts, so it's separating all that cream, and that's what they make this with. And they make it with one shot, and then you get the second shot on the side, so you get a cup of tonic to cleanse your palate, and then you can shoot this or just sip it. It's good. It's good. Tastes like Blacksmith espresso.
Dialed in.
Yeah. Tastes the same every time I come. And then this is good. If you're gonna come, you should get it. It's dine-in only though. You can't get it to go. But doing the milk like that creates a smoother, fluffier finish. And that's why it's called a competition cappuccino, and it's more costly. I also got their steak bowl, which is fire, and it's gluten-free because I'm gluten-free. So yeah.